So this is a time lapse of me building the Eiffel Tower Lego set. It took me from 11 a.m. on March 15th to 5 a.m. on March 16th. That'd be a total of 18 hours. I did do it in one sitting, and let me just say, I will never do something like this again. This is too big of a set to do in one sitting. My back was hurting, my fingertips started to hurt, because I've been doing this. And now this is just the bag by bag sequence of me building it. So it's a lot slower than the time lapse, obviously, but so you can just see the slow progress. Now there are a few mistakes in here, like I missed a bag, or I forgot to put it in the caption. So, that probably is going to happen because I was up really late doing this. So I was exhausted, but yeah, enjoy. Thank you for watching, and drop a comment if you want more content like this.